Hi, I want you to study with me for some minutes, like let me say 6 minutes. Alright, study with me for like 6 minutes. Yes, let's get started. Welcome to my channel, by the way. Let's go. I have physics exam, so this is a physics textbook. My books. I'm writing down formulas. Later, I will start. Um, you know, start writing down the questions because after each chapter, at the end of each chapter, they're going to give questions. So let's go. works. The formula works. This is the formula for distance covered in the nth second. So instead of you to solve all these things, you can just apply the formula here, and I got 122 meters, and this is 122 meters. That's why I'm happy. But I'll still go through this and just see how they did it. This one is not hard anyways, but in case I don't remember the formula, which I don't pray not to, I'll just do this one. They have two formulas for it. So if you're a physics student, they said v square equals to u plus 2as. Then you find the distance, you find the velocity after 9 seconds, and find the velocity after 8 seconds. Then you will now, in that v square equals to u plus 2as, I'm teaching you, and as I'm teaching you, I'll be learning it, so it's a win-win, right? So you now make x the subject of formula. It now be v square minus u all over 2a. So that's how we did it. Velocity 1 to 8 after seconds. So they use v equals to u plus 80 to find the velocity, the two velocities, 9 and 8 seconds respectively. Then you now solve it. The second one, you can use s equals to ut plus 1 over 2at squared. Then find s9, find s8, and then subtract s8 from s9. This equals 2 plus 80. Hope you're enjoying the study vlog so far. Alright, I hope you are actually. So if a physics student, it's a win-win situation. Speed is distance over time. Velocity is x2 minus x1 all over t. Maybe I think it's displacement. Distance over time. So let me say this to the camera so I can remember. If you're given displacement and they ask you to find the instantaneous velocity at t equals to 1, instantaneous acceleration at t equals to 2. So from displacement, if you want to find velocity, you differentiate once. Yeah, that is the x dt. Yes, now differentiate, then add the time and find the velocity. Then if you want to get acceleration, is that you differentiate the one they gave you in displacement 2 times, or is it the same thing? After from the velocity, you now differentiate again to get acceleration. I hope you understand. So yeah, that's what they did here. You want to do dv dt. that will give you 10. So there's one they talked about integration. Finding this one is the velocity. Find velocity. Did they mean? Okay. So if they say what is the instantaneous velocity? If it's acceleration, so you know you're going to get acceleration from velocity. So if they now give you, if they now say you find velocity from acceleration, you now integrate, like reverse it. Okay, so they now wrote x, displacement, velocity, acceleration. So if it's from up to down, you differentiate. But if they are now coming from the highest one to the up to give you acceleration and tell you to find velocity, you like integrate. I'm now your teacher. I'm teaching you muscle learning, so it's a win-win situation. Okay, so yeah, and thank God I learned differentiation. Thank God I learned differentiation to an extent when I was preparing for my maths exam. So yeah, I understand. 4, 3. I click the integration. Where is the integration? Okay, they gave you velocity. So very soon I'm going to enter into projectile motion, and after it I'll go to vector. So let me set a goal of what to achieve today. I'm going to finish. It's good to set goals so that you'll be able to know things you have to finish each day. So I have only 2 days now. After today I have only 1 day left for preparing for this physics. Then the 3 days is now for the next, because after physics we have another exam and the other one is not a child's play. So you have to, like, after tomorrow you have to cover a lot of things. Yeah. So do this, learn vectors. At least I know most of the things here. So now go to Newton's law and linear dynamics. I actually know the things here. Yeah, I know the things here. Yeah, it's not what I was thinking of. I'm just trying to, set a reasonable goal because I have a lot to cover. Ma, this video has passed 60 minutes. Unlike I said earlier, but we are progressing. So as I was going, I was just saying topics. Hey, with him. Jesus. You don't mean it. Jesus. What am I doing? Wait, see. When? I have only tomorrow left. Hey. Do you know that means I have to finish this particular topic I'm doing this afternoon, so that in the night I will enter into vector and just like do it fast, and then do Newton's law and linear dynamics. Then tomorrow I want to work energy, power. I've gone through some of these things before, but just answer the questions under it to get. Circular motion, I have a video for that. I hope it will help me. Then rotational dynamics. But then I have also for equilibrium with fluids. Then of course the property of matter, and the other one. Hey, just not in that time. So I'll just learn the formula. Okay, let's go through all these things. Hey, I'm supposed to go and submit something. Hey. A with chim. Anyway, God damn. Thank you for studying with me for this particular period of time. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if not done so. Like the video and drop in the comments what you learned. Yes, tell me what you learned. Tell me what you learned. Let me know if I'm a great teacher. Alright, see you on the next video. I think I'm doing this kind of video more often and teach you one or two things, right? Alright, bye.